We're in McLean, Virginia, one of the wealthiest and most sought after cities in Northern Virginia. So if you had $3.5 million to spend on a home here, what can you get? Let's find out. This home is over 8,000 square feet, has 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms. I'm not the best cook, but I would definitely learn if I had this kitchen. Just look at it. It's got a 6-range gas range, side-by-side ovens right here, wall oven right over here, built-in microwave, an incredible, humongous refrigerator. Just check it out. An additional adjacent auxiliary kitchen right here, just in case you get bored with that one. Ladies, don't watch this part because you're gonna definitely be jealous of this walk-in closet. And of course, a home of this caliber can't be without an incredible bar. What can I get you to drink? See you at the next tour.